What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, Lex Money. Now, guys, I just came back from football. It's the first time I played in about 8 months, and I am absolutely knackered. But I could see that all of you cheeky MFs hadn't watched my AI video earlier. So at the end of today's video, please go and support me by watching all of my videos. Let's get into ICP. Now, I don't know about you guys, but can you smell the sentiment shift? I can smell it, guys. It smells lovely, okay? Look at this chart. The MACD is crossing. We said we don't put too much weight into the MACD, but we are starting to have our bullish retest. We need to start to print some green candles for this to be a confirmed breakout and retest. Otherwise, it is just going to be another fake out, guys. But last time we did have our breakout and retest. We actually did work our way down a little bit on this trend line before we did start to have our next parabolic move up, guys. And remember, this is a daily, so this could, chop around here for the next week to 2 weeks before we do get a confirmed breakout, breakdown, fake out, whatever you want to call it. With all of the bullish sentiment, you're going to see mixed opinions online. Now, I don't know about you guys, but Benjamin Cowen, okay, big account, cool. I'm sure there's a lot of you guys who do love Benjamin Cowen, but he's getting on my bloody nerves, okay? He really is getting on my nerves because he's been super bearish for the past, 2 months. And then he started to post some bullish things saying, actually, no, we're going to be okay. Now he's saying, I think in today's post was saying BTC with another weekly close below its bull market support band. And then someone underneath said, yeah, well, look at this one here. That's the first thing that pretty much all of us thought. And he goes, cool response, bro. And it's like, are you spreading bull scenarios? Are you spreading bear scenarios? What is the deal? Are you trying to say that we've closed underneath it, so it means we're going into a bear market? That wasn't the case last time, but we need to look at a variety of indicators, and that's what myself and the members club have been doing, been saying, right, what are the bullish scenarios, what are the bearish scenarios, what's outweighing what right now? So far, I think the bull case is still outweighing the bear case, but it doesn't mean that we don't look into the bear case, guys. And not only that, look at the RSI. We're having a bullish divergence, guys. You've got the C word crash around here, you got the FTX crash around here, and then you've got the Japan crash. Is it Japan crash, Mount Gox, Germany, FUD? What one is it, guys? You can let me know what you think it is. Is it all 3 in one? Probably is all 3 in one. But the Japan crash has brought down the RSI back to this trend line, but we're still completing a bullish divergence, which is making me think that Bitcoin is about to break out. Not only that, gang, but global liquidity is moving up fast. What does that mean? It means money printer goes brrr very, very, very soon. And what happens when the money printer sets off? It means that everybody starts to buy their risk on assets, and that can pump the price of Bitcoin and our altcoins as well when the money flow does trade down into Ethereum, and then our Ethereum/USDT pair does start to pick up. Now, it's not only you and me who are quite bullish on the price of Bitcoin, on ICP, on a lot of our top alts. Go and watch my AI video, please. But it's also the long-term holders as well, guys. 75% of Bitcoin has not moved in the past 6 months. That is mad. And you're going to start to see that probably a lot more with big institutions picking up Bitcoin, with the ETFs picking up Bitcoin, with a lot of our exchanges, just buying Bitcoin. And again, with all of our altcoins, guys, we should be trying to use our altcoin gains, right? Squeeze as much blood from, that looks mad. Squeeze as much blood from that stone to be getting as much Bitcoin as we can in the next bear market. And for all of you guys who want to make as much Bitcoin, as much ETH, as much ICP with me as possible, then you can go and check out the members club. We're trading via Blowfin. Go and use the link in the pinned comment. You are going to be able to be signing up to get $1,000 in bonuses. If you do trade enough, you can get all the way up to a Tesla Model 3. That is fantastic. But you've got to use the link in the pinned comment. Even if you don't trade today, just use it, sign up, and then we're going to be doing a lot of trades in the coming months. Once Bitcoin does break out, make sure you got that ready to go, guys. And it looks like we're going to be ready to go very soon, because look at the Bitcoin dominance. Are we starting to top out? Are we going to have a breakdown in Bitcoin dominance? And what happens when the breakdown in Bitcoin dominance occurs? It means that our altcoins, Ethereum, ICP, AVAX, Solana, all of our top altcoins in our blue chip bag are going to be picking up a big market share from Bitcoin, guys. And we still got a long way to go in this bull run. So while a lot of people are saying, right, the bull run's over, I still cannot be convinced that the bull run's over, and I still think we've got a lot of blood to be squeezing from our altcoins, guys. But the Bitcoin dominance, it looks like it's at a high. If you see this in any other chart, you'd be saying we're about to break down soon. How is this any different? It is not. Now, blue chip. Why is ICP a blue chip? It's not just an L1. It's the industry's only third-gen blockchain. It has AI fully on-chain. It has NFTs, chain fusion, advanced cryptography, deep-in, native integration with Bitcoin. It has a reverse gas model, which we got into in the last video. Go and rewind that one if you haven't watched it. Integrated Oracle, infinite scalability, so much more. What more do you want? Now, I was actually in the car with my friend coming back from football, and I said to him, right, I honestly, like, I find it so hard to buy anything other than crypto at the moment. I've been trying to save up for other things as well, but you see ICP looking at you like that and you just want to buy. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to be keeping to our DCA. We're not going to be, you know, FOMOing in too heavy. But I mean, is now a good time to be buying ICP? I think so, guys. And this is one that we haven't looked at in a little while. It's going to be the Google Trends. I mean, last time we were at an all-time high for Google Trends was in March. That was around here, wasn't it? That was, you know, between here and here, which marked the local top. We were basically at $20 for ICP. And that is when everybody wanted to start buying ICP, when we were up nearly 10x. We should have been buying all the way down here in December when it was at $3, November when it was at $3, when nobody wanted to buy, when we were at like, what, 50, 55, 49, something like that. Where are we now, guys? We're back at 50, 53, probably going to be hitting 50 soon. Nobody is searching for ICP. And it's not just ICP, guys. I mean, if you type in crypto, then you can see that it's pretty much exactly the same. We peaked out in March. Now we're at an all-time low, well, a yearly low for searches of Bitcoin. It was only, when was that? September 2023, when nobody wanted to be searching for crypto. And that was when we were at like, what, 25k? And you can see here the first entry of 2023, like a boss, was 16.5k. Nobody was searching it. At 25k, everybody said this was a failed rally. We're going to be going back down to 10k. I remember it. I was there. Were you guys there? They were all telling us that we were going 10k. Some of these big accounts, this is why I do not trust big accounts. They were telling me that we're going back down to, I don't know, 10k, 9k. They were saying things like ADA was going to sub 10 cents, VeChain was going to half a cent, Ethereum was going to $500. Where are those prices, guys? Okay, this is why you don't trust big accounts, and why you don't have to trust me, but you have to do your own research, have your own conviction, and stick to the plan. Because if I did not stick to the plan, guys, right, I would have been absolutely screwed. And it was actually Dan from Crypto Capital Venture who did make me, you know, really start to rethink whether or not I should be holding off for lower prices. Because if you're sweating over pennies, you could be missing pounds in the long run in terms of Bitcoin. I mean, you're sweating over 100, you're going to be missing out on tens of thousands in the long run. So again, something to bear in mind when you're looking and putting weight in these 100k to a million follower accounts, okay? Some of them are spastics. General market's not looking too bad. I mean, we're coming towards the end of August. September can be red sometimes, okay? So we have to bear in mind that September can be a bit volatile. We can have some shakeouts as well, which means we could be having some shakeouts for our top coins, our ICP, our AI coins. Watch the AI videos. AVAX, that's got a big unlock tomorrow. Please keep an eye on token unlocks. We already know that ICP can pretty much swallow every single token unlock pause. But then it's going to be pumped over soon, guys. So we need to be making sure that we have got our DCA plan down to a T. Because it's ICP, is it going to give us our breakdown? I'm hoping that it's going to give us our breakdown. I don't know why it wouldn't. It looks like it wants to have a pump up to the upside. It is having a lot of resistance now from that like $6.80. Okay, resistance 1, resistance 2. But remember, if the $6.65 comes, please none of you be crying. Please none of you be crying. We've got to be taking advantage of these prices. Some of you guys said I bought because it was sub $7. Pat on the back to all of you guys, you're smart. And look, anybody who was trying to buy ICP at $10, if you're not buying now, I do not know what to tell you lot. But that's it. It's just a quick one on ICP since I can't catch you on any other videos. Guys, if you made it this far, please be sure to support the channel by smashing that like button. Go and drop me a comment to let me know how your Monday went. If you're not already subscribed, do the thing. See you tomorrow. Peace.